Here we talk about question number 16 of level 2. It says, which of the following expression for ionization, percentage ionization of monoacidic base BOH in aqueous solution at appreciable concentration is not correct? So there are 4 options given and we have to identify which is not correct. So let us understand the dissociation of a monoacidic base, that is BOH, dissociating to give us B plus and OH minus. If C is the original concentration and alpha is a degree of dissociation, then at equilibrium, out of C, C alpha would be lost and will form B plus and OH minus of same amount. If we write the expression for dissociation constant of base Kb, that is the ionic concentration of product over reactant. This is a concentration of B plus into OH minus upon BOH, and putting the value we get this as C alpha square. Since it is very weak, so I can say 1 minus alpha is nearly equal to 1. So if we rearrange alpha, I get as what? Under root of Kb into C. So percentage ionization, so we just have to multiply by 100. So A is a correct and a valid expression, hence not the answer. Let us validate the B expression. So we know that alpha is percentage ionization. So we started with BOH, which dissociated into B plus and OH minus. So what is the percentage of BOH which has dissociated? That will be equal to what? That will be equal to concentration of B plus upon concentration of B plus plus BOH. Right? So this is dissociated upon total, because this B plus, this is undissociated BOH which is still in the form of BOH, and this is dissociated, right? So that gives you a fraction. So if we just divide this numerator and denominator by B plus, I get this expression. And if I rearrange this from here, I can say that BOH and B plus, if I take this on the opposite side, that will be equal to concentration of OH upon Kb. So I'm able to write this. Now one thing we should know, that what is POH? That is minus log to the base 10 of OH minus concentration. So this implies that OH minus concentration I can write as 10 raised to power minus POH. Similarly, Kb I can write as 10 raised to power minus Pkb. And if I put this expression over here and here, I get this, and from here I can get 1 plus 10 raised to power, right? This will be Pkb minus POH, which means B expression is also valid. Of course, that should have been multiplied by 100. Right, but actually it is factually correct as far as the fraction expression goes. Right, then the C1, here what we do, we know the ionic product of water is a concentration of H plus into OH minus. So in the previous expression, I replace OH minus with Kw upon H plus. So I get this expression, and if I rearrange, I will get something like this. This would be Kb into H plus upon, this will be Kb into H plus plus Kw, which is factually not matching with what is given in C. Therefore C is wrong, and hence C should be the answer. Right? Okay. And D almost follows from this expression. If you just rearrange, you can see that it matches with D. Of course, we can see that B and D are not given as percentages, but watch is, if this is a single answer correct, then we have to mark it as C, right? Because that is an incorrect expression. This is the correct expression, and what we are given is incorrect. And if that was more than one correct, because B and D are not given in terms of percentages, which means multiplication by 100 is not there. In that case, it would have been B, C and